In this video, we listed the 10 best smart car gadgets for cosplay on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Electric Ice Scraper. A winter electric ice scraper is a modern and efficient tool designed to remove ice and snow from car windshields and windows during cold weather. Unlike traditional ice scrapers, which rely on manual effort, an electric version incorporates heating elements or motorized blades to melt or chip away ice, saving time and effort. Key features of this tool include portable and rechargeable design. Many electric ice scrapers are battery-operated, often rechargeable via USB. This feature ensures convenient use without being tethered to a power source. Heated blades or rotating mechanism. These tools often have heated elements or rotating heads that make removing stubborn ice much easier compared to manual scraping. Ergonomic and compact. Lightweight and compact designs make the scrapers easy to store in the car and comfortable to use. Product 2. Product name: Car Stopwatch for Porsche Cayenne. The car stopwatch for Porsche Cayenne is a premium accessory designed for the 958 series, 2010 to 2017, to enhance the vehicle's interior functionality and aesthetics. This central dashboard-mounted electronic clock serves as a stopwatch, compass, and timepiece, blending utility with luxury to complement the Porsche's sophisticated design. Key features: custom fit for Porsche Cayenne, 2010 to 2017, specifically engineered for the 958 model range, ensuring seamless integration with the interior dashboard for an OEM-like finish. Multifunctional design. Stopwatch, ideal for timing events or performance-related activities. Compass, useful for navigation in off-road scenarios or while exploring unfamiliar areas. Electronic time display, offers accurate and easy-to-read timekeeping. Premium aesthetic. Designed to match Porsche's luxurious interior standards. Adds a sophisticated, sporty touch to the central dashboard. Durable and high-quality materials. Made from top-grade components to withstand daily use and maintain precision over time. Product 3. Product name: Dashboard Phone Holder for Car. The dashboard phone holder for car is a versatile accessory designed to enhance safety and convenience for drivers by providing hands-free access to mobile devices. Its 360 degrees widest view feature allows you to adjust the holder to your preferred angle, ensuring a clear view of the phone screen without obstructing your line of sight while driving. This makes it ideal for GPS navigation, hands-free calling, and music control. Notable features: 9-inch flexible long arm. The extended arm design provides flexibility to position the holder in a way that suits different dashboard configurations, offering greater accessibility and reducing distractions. Universal compatibility. Designed to accommodate a wide range of smartphones, the holder supports various sizes and models, making it a practical choice for families or multiple device users. Hands-free operation. By securely mounting your phone on the dashboard, windshield, or air vent, this holder promotes safe driving by eliminating the need to hold or look down at your device. Multi-mounting options. Whether you prefer attaching it to the dashboard, windshield, or air vent, the phone holder offers multiple placement options for convenience and stability. Product 4. Product name: PDR Car Body Paintless Dent Repair Tools. The PDR Car Body Paintless Dent Repair Tools Dent Repair Kit is an essential toolkit for car enthusiasts and professionals who aim to maintain the aesthetic integrity of vehicle bodies without resorting to costly and time-consuming traditional repair methods. This kit specializes in paintless dent repair, PDR, which removes minor dents and dings from the car's surface without damaging the original paint finish. Key features: comprehensive kit. Includes tools such as glue puller tabs, dent pullers, and additional accessories designed for handling dents caused by hail, minor collisions, or accidental impacts. Glue puller tabs. These tabs are crucial for attaching to the dented surface using special adhesive glue. Once set, the dent puller applies pressure to lift and smooth the dent. Paint-safe design. All tools are engineered to avoid scratching or peeling paint, ensuring the vehicle's finish remains intact. Ease of use. The kit is designed for both professionals and beginners. With straightforward instructions, even non-specialists can perform basic repairs at home. Product 5. Product name Muka Auto Scanner. The Muka CS90 OBD2 professional diagnostic tool is a versatile auto scanner designed to empower car owners and mechanics with advanced vehicle diagnostics and maintenance capabilities. It supports Bluetooth connectivity, enabling easy access to the car's ECM, engine control module, system for accurate and detailed analysis of performance issues. This tool provides comprehensive support for 28 reset functions, covering tasks such as oil reset, brake reset, injector coding, and more. A key highlight of the Muka CS90 is its lifetime free updates, ensuring compatibility with the latest car models and updates in diagnostic protocols without recurring costs. Its professional-grade features make it suitable for a range of users, from DIY car enthusiasts to seasoned technicians. Product 6. Product name Electric Air Blower. The electric air blower is a versatile and high-performance handheld tool designed for various applications, including snow removal, dust cleaning, and car drying. Featuring a 130,000 RPM brushless motor, this blower delivers exceptional power and efficiency, making it suitable for both professional and household tasks. Key features. Powerful performance. Their high-speed turbojet fan generates strong airflow, capable of effectively clearing snow, dust, or debris from surfaces. Compact and portable, its mini, lightweight design ensures easy handling and maneuverability, ideal for quick and precise tasks. Durable brushless motor. The inclusion of a brushless motor not only increases the blower's lifespan but also improves its energy efficiency and reduces noise levels. Multi-purpose use. This blower is excellent for drying cars after washing, removing snow from driveways or rooftops, and cleaning hard-to-reach areas like car interiors, keyboards, or vents. Product 7. Product name Glass Polishing Compound. A glass polishing compound is a specialized product designed for restoring clarity and smoothness to glass surfaces, particularly car windshields and windows. This compound is formulated as a paste or cream and is ideal for removing stubborn contaminants, including oil films, water spots, fine scratches, and residue from environmental pollutants. Key features. Oil film removal effectively eliminates oil residues and smudges, enhancing visibility and preventing light glare, especially crucial for safe driving. Deep cleaning penetrates the glass surface to remove embedded dirt and grime that standard cleaners cannot reach. Scratch and film removal reduces fine scratches and restores a crystal clear finish, ensuring optimal light transmission and aesthetics. Auto detailing use, designed for professional or DIY auto detailing, it helps maintain the windshield and windows for a polished, showroom-like appearance. Product 8. Product name Car Seat Gap Filler. The car seat gap filler is a practical and versatile car accessory designed to bridge the gap between car seats and the center console. This gap is notorious for trapping small items such as keys, wallets, phones, coins, or other belongings, making them difficult to retrieve. The gap filler prevents this inconvenience by acting as a leak-proof filling strip, effectively sealing the seam. Key features. Universal compatibility. Designed to fit all car models, the filler seamlessly integrates with various seat and console designs. High-quality material, typically made from durable, flexible, and waterproof materials, ensuring longevity and ease of cleaning. Leak-proof design keeps debris, liquids, and dirt from falling through, simplifying car maintenance and cleanliness. Storage functionality. Some models include additional compartments to hold smaller items, doubling as a wallet or phone holder for enhanced convenience. Product 9. Product name Car Polishing Kit. The car polishing kit is an essential toolset for maintaining and enhancing the appearance of your vehicle. Designed for professional detailers and car enthusiasts alike, this kit typically includes soft wool pads, 3-inch car waxing and buffing sponge discs, and wool wheels. It is ideal for auto paint care, allowing for precise polishing, waxing, and buffing tasks to restore the vehicle's shine and protect its surface. Key features: soft wool pads. High-quality wool pads are effective in removing scratches, oxidation, and swirl marks while being gentle on the car's paint. Suitable for delicate surfaces, ensuring a glossy finish. 3-inch sponge discs. Compact size allows for precise work on smaller or hard-to-reach areas. Made from durable materials that evenly distribute wax or polish for an even finish. Wool wheels. Efficient for polishing larger surfaces and achieving a mirror-like shine. Compatible with most polishers for versatile use. Product 10. Product name: Car Window Cleaning Brush. The car window cleaning brush is a versatile accessory designed specifically for efficient cleaning of car windows, mirrors, and glass surfaces. It ensures streak-free and scratch-free results, enhancing the visibility and aesthetics of the vehicle. This tool is especially tailored for Honda models like the Civic, Accord, Fit, CR-V, HR-V, Jazz, City, CR-Z, Element, Insight, MDX, and S2000, making it a perfect fit for owners of these vehicles. Features: compatibility, precisely engineered for Honda models, ensuring a snug and effective fit for specific car windows and surfaces. Compact design, lightweight and ergonomically designed for easy handling and maneuverability, even in hard-to-reach areas. High-quality materials, made with durable microfiber or silicone brushes that provide effective cleaning without leaving scratches or marks.